Okay, I did it. I'm going to take that in the bed office and glue all that stuff to each other. The dressers, the little drawers. Okay. Oh, and I reorganized this top shelf for my canning stuff. All my jars are in there now. Rearrange that a little bit. Now I can rearrange this and put that there. Put my dehydrator up closer. I'm thinking I'm going to make a fire cider out of that, since it's pretty much fermented stuff. It could sit on the shelf and not go bad too quickly. So feeling pretty good. I'll adjust that later to be able to pull out of there easier, and then put little stuff around it. Found my muffin pan, so you know I'm going to really be making those 2 and 3 ingredient desserts soon. Where's my water? Whew. Yes, time to get to work. W-E-R-K. So happy I found some candle stuff and other stuff and other stuff and other stuff. Oh, I gotta put that back with the rest of my oibs. Here, let's just set you there for right now. One accessory box that I'll be putting witchy stuff in. Okay, it's break time. Yeah, I'll just leave the fan on me for a minute. Oh, I meant to close the door. Oh, well, here. Whew. You see my pretty big old brown legs that my mother loved so much, probably because they look just like hers and her mother. Okay, let's get some water. Hold on. I gotta open my jar and then pray that this is one that I didn't also crack, probably just from putting them back in the refrigerator too hard. Let me plug in so I don't lose you. It's already 90 something, just like I'm sure it's hot where you are, so I need to stop saying that. Other people have it worse than I do, so there. I feel good. I got something done today. Oh, in the shelves over there, I cleared out that bottom shelf, gutted everything out of there, put the dog food on the bottom under there so I could just slide it out and open it up when I need to. And I'm going to try and see, I don't know where to put that kitty litter. It's just going to have to stay right there. So I'm going to have to move that stuff and scoot it in there to get it out of the walk space. That's trash that I'll put out later. And most of that is trash. And I feel good. Well, at least until he comes to put them up here. I want them to go along here somewhere. How? Yeah. Emptied a box from there. I don't know where I got that little vase from. Probably from Teresa way back in 2013. Because a lot of these boxes I haven't opened since then, because I was living with other people in an 8x10 room. So I had all my boxes stacked to the ceiling. Yeah, it's time to do a little work. W-E-R-K. For those of you who don't know what I mean, that's, well, let's just say it's magical magical shit. Yeah, there. Since I am a magical person. Oh, I forgot to put the screen down. Oh, well. So in here, it feels pretty good, so. Oh, man, I really like this cloth. I just wish it were longer and would cover up the back, you know? But that's okay. Thank you, Van, for blessing me with that. It seemed rather appropriate for the W-E-R-K that I am doing. for a client. Oh, everything feels so much better when you move shit around and get rid of boxes. What do you think you're doing? No, you will not climb up in that windowsill. No. Uh-huh. I saw you looking, mister. I saw you go under the table and look up like you trying to jump up in the window. Don't. That would be a no, no, no. Look at me. No, no, no. Okay? All right. Glad we had that talk. Man, it's such a beautiful day. Can you see? Oh, I'm so happy to have so many windows. One of the things on my list for my next home, and oh my God, I got everything. Yep, I got everything that I asked for and then some. Because the people that are here are just so wonderful. So wonderful, you know? And I hope you're having a good day, being good to yourself, pampering yourself when you can. You know, if it's lunchtime for you, go around the corner to the park. Put your feet in the grass. Ground yourself. Hug a tree. No matter, you can't be caring what people think right now. Just talk to the tree, talk to the grass, talk to the butterflies and squirrels and chipmunks and shit. It's gonna make you feel better. I promise. It's gonna make you feel better. Oh boy, I sure feel good just getting that little bit of shit organized. Now it's 12 o'clock, so in the next 2 hours. Oh good, he's finally using that box I put up there. Usually Princess sleeps there in Spirit. I'm surprised he wants anything to do with the sun, but I imagine that's because he wants to smell the outside more. And just go be good to yourself, okay? Just go be good to yourself. Why not? It's easy to do. If you allow yourself. If you allow yourself to, it is easy to do. Yes, it is. See, like I'm being good to myself. I'm not going to do any of the other crystal boxes stuff. I'm going to head to the bed office. Find me a spray bottle so I can mist myself. In front of the fan. And put on a movie and start wire wrapping a Chrysocolla teardrop. $125. Yes, I have layaway, so put your good faith money down. And when your payments are finished, I will send it to you. If you pick a stone, put your good faith money down. After you pay for your pendant or whatever, then I'll start the process. But right now, that's what I feel like wrapping, and that's what I'm going to wrap. Since I got some square wire in, yeah. I am so happy. And I wish you every bit of happiness too. Yes, I do. I wish you every bit of happiness you could squeeze into your heart and hands. Because you deserve it. Yes, you do. You really do. Okay? So just go love on yourself. Be good to yourself. Go easy on yourself. Excuse me, because it's hard enough dealing with the fucking heat or snow or what the fuck ever. And a boss. And this and that. And all that other stuff. Life stuff. Be good to yourself. Okay? Alright, I love you. I'm going to sit here and look at funny kitten videos and then head to the bed office and wrap up that Chrysocolla. Love you.